Let me quickly head back home from my survival trip. And what the hell, guys? Oh my god, guys, what? Wait a second. Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Hydrofoam here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a secret TNT trap in Minecraft 1.17. Now along with that, I'm also going to be showing you guys how to make a secret lava trap right after I show you guys how to make a secret TNT trap. So let's go. We have two traps to cover, and now let's begin. So in this chest over here, I have the items required for a trap, and first thing you'll require is a skull sensor. Now you can only get this in the latest snapshot, which is 20W49A in Minecraft Java edition. So I'm going to grab that, and then I'm going to go ahead and grab my TNT. And now this is really simple, guys. So basically all you have to do, okay, is what you need to do is dig down, dig 3 blocks down, and then dig 2 over here. So it's really simple. Look at this, guys. So it goes in a symmetry. It's kind of like an L but underground. So you should conceal this block, all right? So you should just keep one block open, and then what you need to do is place the TNT below, all right? Place the TNT below, and then place the skull sensor over here. And now I'm quickly going to do something. I'm just going to chuck a snowball, all right? So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to quickly chuck a snowball and show you guys what happens. And as you guys can see, so it went ahead and it activated the skulk sensor. Now the way this works is the skulk sensor actually responds to sound. You know, you have heard of the warden, I'm pretty sure about it. So this is basically the block that goes along with it, and this is the skulk sensor, and it's basically a type of wireless redstone that has been introduced into Minecraft 1.17. And with that, you can, like, using sound, you can go ahead and activate it. So let me just show you a quick demo. So as you guys can see, so this is how it's going to be when you just place it. And now I'm just going to make a sound, and you saw that it just lit up right now, and now it goes back to normal when the sound disappears. Now I'm going to repeat that once again, and as you guys can see, so it kind of attracts the sound towards it. And as you guys can see, so therefore it activated the TNT. Now you can do it up to 16 TNTs, which is insane. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but anyway, that's totally up to you. And now we coming to our second trap, and that is the lava trap. And for this, what you'll require is a powdered snow bucket and a lava bucket as well. And firstly, what you'll require to do is dig a 3x3 hole, all right? So I'm going to show you guys the dimensions quickly. Yeah, as you guys can see, so this is how you're going to dig it, and I'm going to be right back with you guys once I complete it. Alright guys, so as guys can see, so I've completed it, and now what you're going to do is place lava basically all over here and make it nice and even. And then after you do that, what you need to do is right click with your snow bucket, alright? So right click with your powdered snow bucket right over here. And so you also have a small effect when you're in the snow, in survival and in creative as well, as you guys can see. So now I'm going to head out of the snow, and all the frostiness disappears from my screen. And yeah guys, so this is basically the traps tutorial. I hope you guys found this useful, and if you did, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and also check out channel sponsor TubeBuddy by clicking on the link in the description down below. They have both free and premium plans, and they currently have offers on their premium plans, so go ahead and check them out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Now see ya.